Hi, my name is Brady Jones, and today I will be showing you how to tie one of our new tarpon flies. Today we will be using a hook. It is the B1, I think, the B1 size 2. And we need our bobbin and our thread first, and we need our scissors and a wet finish for at the end and through the video. We will also need, as our materials, we only need 3 materials. We need laser dubbing, purple. We need EP brush, black. We need marabou, black. And what we're gonna use also is we're gonna use beaded eyes, these beaded eyes. So first, we will start off by wrapping the thread onto the hook. This fly might take a little while. I mean, it has more steps than usual. First, we will, after we have wrapped this on, we will tie the eyes on first. What you want to do is go 10 wraps to the right. And then you're going to want to go 10 wraps to the left. And hold this eye back a little bit. Then I like to do some little figure eights just to kind of finish this fly off. Then, once you've done that, and your bobbin is hanging and you've tied on your eyes, you're gonna do figure 8 circles around the eyes to cinch them down. 10. And you're gonna pull a little bit just to cinch down those eyes. Now that I think those eyes are on, I think we will be good. We could use a little bit more of those figure 8 circles around the eyes just to fully cinch them down. And maybe even give them some figure 8. Those eyes aren't coming off. Awesome. Now we're gonna get to the kind of the back of the fly. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna get this black marabou right here. And we're gonna take a feather of this marabou. You're gonna try finding the best feather out of here. You don't know which one is the best, but you want to find the one that has kind of the best fluff to it, kind of. What you're going to do is you're going to get the end. So you're just going to kind of thread back what you don't want. I mean, that's looking pretty good right there. I like that. Maybe add a little bit more to it, a little more texture. That's perfect right there. Do 3 or 4 solid wraps. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take this feather. You're just gonna want to cut that feather off. Let that feather go. Then you're gonna tie down this extra piece right here where you cut it off. You're gonna want to cover that just to make it better. And now you've got the back profile of the fly all around, which makes it better of like a minnow profile. And then we're gonna get our Fox EP brush. we're gonna take it, and where you find this little skinny end down at the end right here, you're gonna tie that end right in. And move your bobbin to the front of the fly so you can perfectly wrap this. And as you're wrapping this, you're going to want to pull back on the fibers so then it gets all of it. You're going to want to pull back and then wrap. Pull back all the fibers, then wrap. Pull back, then wrap. Pull back, wrap. All right. Now that we've got that brush on there, giving a little bit of the body, you're gonna want to tie off right here. And then once you got all that end, you're gonna want to cut this off right here. Right there. Perfect. Right now, we'll be getting to the part where we will be using the laser dubbing. And with that laser dubbing, we will be putting it and making a head on the fly. Our last step to this fly, or our last material, is to use the laser dubbing. You're gonna put your hand on the bag and grab a pinch out of it. You're gonna want to grab it and separate the fibers a few times to make them longer, so they spread out across the fly better. And then you kind of want to spread it out, kind of lay it on top of this fly and do 2 wraps, and then that's when you'll fold back. And then you want to grab another little pinch. This one's the little one, so you don't have to do as many pulls, but you kind of just spread it out on how you want it. We're gonna might want to brush them out, but this is one of our tarpon flies. Building the head, and now we will proceed to the front of the head, and we can tie in a little small strip for this fly to build it in front of the eyes. Right there. Once you get it there, you're finished with the laser dub. Then you will get your whip finish tool. You're gonna hook it in the hook part. You're gonna use the mountain on this whip finish tool, and you're gonna make a triangle. Once you make that triangle, you will start making rotating wraps along the hook shank to whip finish. And you'll do it again, just about like 5 or 6 times. Once you do that, you're gonna cut that. And if you want to, you can use loom fly fish. Put a little dab of that on there. And you're gonna grab your UV light and shine your UV light on here. so you can make that head cement stable so that the fly won't break. For 15 seconds. Some people like to use a brush, some people don't. I like to use a brush just to get those fibers going back. Once you get those fibers going back, it will start to make the fly look better. Now that we have that done, our fly is basically done. We have one of our newest tarpon flies added to the list. Thank you for watching the newest B&G's fly tying video, and we'll be back with another video soon. This is for Happy in the Keys. Thank you.